In this video, I will show you how you can change the ownership of your AirPods. Now, the first thing you should do is just open the lid of your AirPods and pair your AirPods with your iPhone. Now, after you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, now on your iPhone, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name. Now, if you have changed the name of your AirPods to your personal name or to any other name, just tap on the name and set the name to the default name. For an example, I will set the name of our AirPods to the default name. Now just tap on Done. And from here, if you go back, as you can see, we have successfully changed the name of our AirPods to the default name. After you change the name of the AirPod, then tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPod's name. And at the bottom of the page, just select Forget Device. Select Forget Device. Now after that, now let's move to the next step. For that, just place both of the AirPods in the case and close the lid. Then wait for a couple of seconds. And after that, just open the lid again. Now from here, just double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. Double tap once, twice, and this is the third time. Now after the third double tap, you will see this orange dot on the case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset of your AirPods. Now if you're using AirPods Pro or any other AirPods, you will see a button at the back of the AirPod. Now to factory reset that type of AirPods, just make sure you open the lid of the AirPod. And after that, just press and hold the button at the back of the AirPod until the LED turns orange. And after that, once the LED turns from orange to white, then this indicates that you have done a factory reset on that type of AirPods. And once the factory reset is completed, you will successfully change the ownership of your AirPods. And from here, you can sell your AirPods to any other person. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.